Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to simplify your contract management process, DocuSign is the solution for you. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to use DocuSign to securely manage and sign contracts, all in just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. 1. Create a DocuSign account. Getting started. First, head over to the DocuSign website and sign up for an account. You can start with a free trial to explore the features, and if you need advanced tools, you can choose one of the paid plans. 2. Upload your document. Uploading files. Once you're logged in, click on New to upload your document. DocuSign supports various file formats like PDF, Word, and Excel. Simply select the document you want to send for signature. 3. Add recipients. Recipient details. DocuSign lets you add multiple recipients to your document. You'll need to enter their names and email addresses. You can also specify the signing order if there are multiple recipients. 4. Prepare the document for signing. Tagging the document. Use DocuSign's intuitive interface to drag and drop signature fields onto the document. You can also add other fields like dates, initials, checkboxes, and text boxes to ensure all required information is captured. 5. Send the document for signature. Sending for signing. Once your document is ready, hit Send to send it out for signature. The recipients will receive an email with a secure link to sign the document electronically. They can sign on their computer or mobile device. 6. Track the status. Monitor progress. DocuSign provides real-time tracking, so you can monitor the status of the document and see when it's been signed. You'll receive notifications as each recipient signs. 7. Download and store signed documents. Final steps. Once all parties have signed, DocuSign automatically stores the signed document in a secure cloud. You can download the final signed version and keep it for your records. 8. Integrate with other tools. Integrations. DocuSign integrates with various platforms like Google Drive, Salesforce, and Microsoft Office. This integration helps streamline your contract management process by automatically syncing documents across different tools. Using DocuSign for contract management makes the signing process more secure, efficient, and paperless. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.